Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Overwatch and you keep getting this problem, login error with their failed to connect to game server, please try again later, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying login error on Overwatch easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to close out Overwatch and then you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to search for Cloudflare on here. After that, you're going to go into this link from developers.cloudflare.com. You're going to download latest stable release here. Once it's done downloading, you're going to open it up and install it on your computer. And after it's done installing, open the software up. Now what you're going to do is you're going to click on to Cloudflare Warp, go into the settings icon, go into 1.1.1.1 with Warp and then connect it. Wait for it to connect. Once it's done connecting, now you're going to open up your game's platform. And then what you're going to do is you're going to right click onto Overwatch. I'm going to use PUBG as an example. Go into install files, click browse. Now go into your Overwatch exe file. So just find your Overwatch exe and then right click on the exe file, click properties, go into compatibility, click run this program as an administrator and then also disable full screen optimizations. After that, click apply, okay, and now you can go ahead and run Overwatch and you'll see that your game will now work. You will not get that login error anymore. So it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Now I'll see you in my next video. Peace.